All right. Okay. He's what is it called? IPTV user guide. So this is the instruction on how to use or to watch TV. What I was interested in is, for example, how to view the guide on TV. And it says press, if we can focus a little bit. Come on, focus. There you go. Press that on the remote control to display the on-screen guide. And here's the remote. And all I have to do is compare that towards here and see which one it is. What the fuck? I think it's this one. That one? Nope, it's not. Close Banaric. I think it's this one. That. And that. Okay, let's see. And nothing happens. Well, I guess there's something else I'm supposed to do, but since everything is written in Chinese, well, the English that is there does not really help. I guess I'm missing something.